What is up, YouTube? Your boy Ty Shoe here, back again. Today we're coming at you with a video that I actually have not done before. So a new video to me, but one that is near and dear to my heart. And we're talking sneakers. We're talking sneakers, and we're talking unboxing. Sneaker unboxing. So as you can see here, we do have quite a large box, and these aren't just any normal sneakers. One of the greatest sneakers, I believe, ever made. Right here we got the Concepts Nike Air Max 1, the Message to the Universe collection. So there was a group of 3 different sneakers. You have the Mellows, Heavy, and then Far Out. Far Out was the 3rd sneaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that one here. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Very excited for these. Very excited. Woo! All right, let's see what we got here. An absolutely stunning box. Out of the 3 sneakers, this 3rd one, the Far Outs, did come with a different shoe box. I can just get it out here. Wow. So this is my first time looking at the box in person, and it is just, it's amazing. So it looks like they're going with a bus type look from the 60s, early to late 60s, which is the theme of these sneakers. Just an awesome box. So much detail put into it. Even, like, look at the bottom. Awesome box. This is the Far Out. So there were 3 sneakers made in this collection, all Nike Air Max 1s, the Mellows, Heavy, and then Far Out. I actually have the first shoe here, and just to show you a difference between the boxes, these are what the Mellows came in, also a really cool box. Got the Concepts, Flower Power, Nike Swoosh. I knew I had to get my hands on the Far Outs because this is just a whole new level right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right. So yes, it is the same box on the inside. It was this really cool outside box, which is what it came with. So let's go ahead and get these Far Outs out of here. So here we have the same Nike Concepts box, then inside of that really cool 60s bus themed box. Let's go ahead and open these up. Right away, right off the top, you see the Far Outs came with a couple other items too, which I thought was awesome. So you have this really cool bandana on top, and inside you have a whole bunch of stuff as well right here. So it looks like we got some really cool Concept stickers, really cool flower there, the Concept design. There's another one. We got a Concepts car freshener, that's very cool. The Concepts rain poncho. Comes in almost like a little mini record player holder. On the inside, it almost looks like a little record, but I'm pretty sure these are coasters. Not 100% sure, but very cool regardless. So just all this awesome stuff coming with these amazing sneakers. Here's another look at the bandana. Thought that was gonna work. Love or Confusion, 1969. Let's get to the stuff, the reason why you're all here watching, the sneakers. Really cool paper. So let's see these sneakers. Wow, just beautiful. Look at that. The attention to detail, the design, it's up there with maybe my favorite shoe of all time. Dion over there at Concepts just absolutely killed it, as always. If you don't know the name, look it up. Shout out to Dion. Dion Point. One of the really cool things about these shoes is the denim on them. So as you can see, it's got the denim top of the shoe there, and that really has to do with the wear and tear of the jeans of festival goers around the 1960s, early 70s, which is what these shoes are themed after. So that is one awesome thing right there. Here, like for example, this is the first shoe, the Mellow, and you can tell the difference. You got the denim going on there, denim here. You have the paisley all over around the shoe here. The Far Outs has that purple front paisley, which I'm personally a huge fan of the purple. Go Tigers. Little green paisley on the back, which I also love. And the paisley is really a nod to that 1960s guitar strap type look, which was seen throughout Woodstock and other festivals around the time. What's a little harder to see on the Far Outs, mud splattered on the sole of the shoe there. You can see a little better on this side. But that also is a nod to Woodstock and all the rain that came down, how muddy that festival was. So that's what the little specks on the bottom are representing. You can see it a little better in the Mellows here as it has a darker speckle. But I love that little attention to detail there. The shout out to Woodstock. I love the little guitar pick that each shoe has. The little Concepts Nike guitar pick. Another one of my favorite parts of the shoe is the Flower Power swoosh, the Nike swoosh, and that is another shout out to that 60s era. Love the Flower Power Nike swoosh. The Concepts in the back of the design there of the shoe, that is so awesome. Love the velvet tongue on the shoe. As you can see here on the Far Out, it is a pink velvet, which is so fire. Matches the inside there. On the Mellows here, you got that maroon velvet, also an awesome look. 10 out of 10 shoe. The Message to the Universe collection was released throughout March, all leading up to this final release, which came out on March 26th, National Air Max Day. It all led up to such a perfect release. The marketing was unreal. This so far is my shoe of the year right here. I know we're early in on the year, but it's going to be hard to beat. This shoe is going to attract some attention. You're going to get compliments on it. You're going to get people asking about it. So I personally love that in the shoe. So once again, shout out to Concepts. Shout out to Dion Point. Absolutely destroyed this shoe. Also had an unreal apparel line, as you can see here. I'm rocking one of the sweatshirts. It's got an awesome back to it. Bam! Bam! This is your boy Ty Shoe here. First unboxing, first sneaker review. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Thank you for watching. Your boy Ty Shoe out.